Let's take a look at the following resistors. We have first one, brown, black, red, gold. First band represents the digit, which is 1. Black represents 0. Red is my multiplier or number of zeros, because red represents digit 2. At the third position, it tells me that I'm supposed to have 2 zeros, and I have tolerance 5%, because gold represents the tolerance of plus minus 5%. I have 1000 ohms plus minus 5%. You have to convert 1000 to engineering notation. You have to move the decimal point 3 times to the left, and you are going to have 1 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. This is the resistance of this resistor. Let's take a look at the second one. We have orange, blue, red, silver. Orange represents digit 3. Blue represents digit 6. Red at the third position is telling me that I have 2 zeros. And silver is my tolerance plus minus 10%. I have 3600 ohms plus minus 10%. I have to convert this number to the engineering notation. I have to move my decimal point 3 times to the left side, and I'm going to have 3.6 kilo ohms and tolerance plus minus 10%. This is the resistance of this resistor.